how's it going everyone? Cody aka Levin here, coming at you with more Airsoft gameplay. This will be our last video, at least from my perspective, on the field, but don't worry because we've also got some GoPro footage lined up as well. In this video I'll be following Ryan and Jordan as they fight their way through midfield. Ryan will be using a KWA SR-12 and Jordan will be using a G&G FN SCAR. Enjoy.
Yeah. We're in a bad position, aren't we? Yeah, one of the worst. Yeah, let's look. Peel first. Look for where you want to go. I'll lay it down and then down over. Yeah, there you go. Go, go, go. Come in! Move it up, move it up. Yep. Set! Move it. Go, go! Set. Moving! Remember, no 50, right? Yep. Set! No joy! How close are we to the 50, Jordan? That's the 50? You want me to see if I can get up in it?
Actually, no, the 50 is... See those two boxes in front of you?
Oh, that close. Okay.
Move in you, stand up.
Come, come, come. How's it coming in, but I don't see from where.
Yeah, here.
You see anything I don't, man?
Negative. Yeah, no joy.
Yeah, none whatsoever. Go, go, go. Oh, shit. Yeah. I'd like to know where to shoot, but I don't see anybody. You know, they're all down low. Yeah, they gotta be. Gotta be this ridge right here.
Hit me.
I don't really
hit the camera guy.
Right. Go ahead and I'll work them up. Go, go, go. Good, good, good.
Ryan, you want to try to go down there and start working the left?
Go. I'm up.
Moving!
Go, go, go. Good. Okay, got joy, got joy.
Hit!
Don't worry, I see your guy at your 12. Ah, it blows.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook to get the latest updates on IAS, Airsoft, and gaming content. Thanks for watching, and we hope you look forward to watching our next video.